Hi everybody, this is your girl Trina B and I am back with another tutorial. Hi beauties, how are you ladies doing? And gentlemen, don't want to forget about y'all. So today I am showing you guys how to do a basic set of mermaid locks. I have never ever done a video like this ever before. But I decided to do it because it is using the Bella Locs Mermaid Loc kit. We are actually installing it with the Oceana kit, which comes with over 100 locks, and we've only used about, when we were done her hair, we used about, I'm going to say probably 70. Not even that. I mean, we use very few. So when you are using our basic mermaid, when you are doing basic mermaid locks, it does entail some crochet in the center. So what I like to do is break down the outside perimeter, make those individually wrapped locks, and which you will see in this video. And then I go in cornrow and crochet. When you are basically giving yourself a thinner look, because I do not like very heavy locks, okay? That's not the look that I desire. It looks kind of fake, even though it's already fake, but it just looks faker. But it's not the look I go for. And when I am doing these locks on my clients, I tend not to use 100 locks. Maybe they go home and add locks. I don't know. I've never heard anyone say that they have, but I just don't put that many. But feel free to do your hair the way you desire, because there are enough locks in the kit. There's enough locks in the kit for you to be able to do touch-ups if you are purchasing the Oceana kit. Now, when you see me braiding right now, I am adding the hair, the additional hair, the body wave hair to the ends. When someone's hair is this length, I like to just braid their natural hair first and then add the additional synthetic hair at the ends. And this is what some people call a knotless braid, but I do it with the knot too. It just depends on the texture, and her texture just seemed better suited for me to be able to grab it and have a nice detailed part just by braiding her hair first and then adding the hair. But do it either way that's more comfortable for you. All right, so I'm going to let you sit back and watch me work, because I get told all the time I talk too much in my videos. Wah, wah, wah. So I'm going to be quiet.
boxes. Boxes. instructions so that I don't leave nothing out. And then at the end, you'll be like, oh my God, you didn't tell me that. I'm like, what was in writing?
Thank you so much for joining me today. And make sure if you're in the Philadelphia area that you book with me at mybellalocs.net and check out my ebook. My ebook will talk about how I made 6 figures in 6 months. That's right. You can also purchase that book at mybellalocs.net. Get into this hair, guys.